Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video oh my goodness, we were so scared this evening, well tonight rather. We have been, well, this evening we saw Mr. John when we were going to pick up the kids, and when we came back from off the road we didn't see him. So after we cooked dinner, guys, my husband went to give Mr. John dinner. He couldn't find Mr. John. He had been walking up and down trying to find Mr. John, but he couldn't find him. And we have been calling his phone, but there was no answer, guys. It just kept ringing. So my husband kept calling and calling and calling until he finally, he answered the phone. And so we asked him where he was, and he said he was at the same place. But because we didn't see him where he normally stayed, that little place that I showed you in the video, my husband was saying, "No, you're not there. We don't see you." And then after a while, we saw where he was. We found him in the place that you're gonna see right now, guys. I'm telling you, we recently found out that we are expecting another child, and I am talking right now. My belly bottom is basically like, I don't know. I feel stressed. Me not lie you. This what happened a while ago stressed me out. My husband have to be saying, relax yourself. Try and take your mind off that. Mr. John is alright now. So stay tuned for this, guys. Right, Nina.
You're frightened me, no, man. I think there's something wrong with you,
Yeah.
Like, seriously wrong with you, Because me not...
Can we not see you from evening?
Yeah, you can't fresh up on your bed this one, Mr.
Open it. Manage show away. Cause we couldn't find you, so we think something is wrong with you.
Yeah,
But him saying him not feeling well because his foot like it swell up more. Oh man. He went to dress it. Probably can you go dress it today, or you have to go to Saturday now, certain you have to go stay. Like you get one little bed, you have to go stay off of your foot. Rest it for the rest of the week. Just lay down and rest your foot. Keep walking up and down like this, you'll get worse. Understand?
Alright, let me try to get some pills for you, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, may I go for pill for you and come back here?
Alright, no.
And we get one light because you don't have no... Oh, you flash it up beside now. Come here, Sean, one light up here, so. One light up here, so put you in can't eat in dinner. I can't, how that? When name? I get a candy and I go drop out. Me say, I'm trying to let you can see. You can see if you eat.
Yes, fine, yes, fine.
Okay. Alright, I'll go for your pill here.
Alright, no.
Hold this now. One I can take here. You can see the side here, so I'm going one alone if you take out. Alright. So drink some water. They can drink some water.
You go try and wash your clothes in here.
Okay.
Pull it something. So my husband gave him some painkiller for the pain that he's feeling in his foot. Yes, guys, and I guess because he didn't really have any bed to basically lay down and stretch out his foot, and all of that. Yes, so probably that's why it's hurting. He went and dressed it today, and when I saw him, he was on the road and he was standing up. And you all know Mr. John love to stand up. So I think you're just gonna have to stay off his leg for a while. I was giving my husband the phone to check because he saw the missed calls. Well, he heard the missed calls come in. Yeah, and he's still getting used to the phone. Sorry, he's still getting used to the phone. So Junior was just checking and telling him that the 7 missed call that he saw there was basically from us. Yes, so stay tuned, guys. So we made fish soup. Well, not me, Junior. Junior made fish soup for dinner. That's what I was feeling for. I can't really do any cooking like that. Whenever time I go into the kitchen to cook, I feel nauseous. So Junior is the one that does the cooking since of lately. Guys, I didn't even know that I was pregnant until I started feeling, all weird. Stay tuned, guys.
And check up on it, yeah? And we come clean up for you.
Yeah, we are going to clean up and get the clothes and wash or something. Okay, guys, so in the morning, me and my husband we are going to get some disinfectant, some bleach and something, stuff like those, a broom, and try and clean up the in the little place for Mr. John, because it doesn't smell right. The clothes are dirty, the little sheet on the bed is dirty, the bed also look like it's broken, but at least you have a little something you can sleep on until the place that is being built for him is ready and all of that. So stay tuned for that, guys, and thanks for clicking on the video. And I hope you are having an awesome day or morning or whenever time you're seeing this video or night. Stay blessed, guys, and one love.